thing about me is that I must pre-poo my hair with fresh aloe vera and oil before washing it. And in today's video, I'm going to be putting you all through the process of how I make my aloe vera juice and how I also apply the aloe vera juice on my hair, follow up with this hair growth oil. So if you want to learn how to make it, stay tuned, and please do not forget to subscribe. There are tons of benefits of using aloe vera on your scalp and hair, and there are different ways you can actually use aloe vera on your hair. In today's video, it's all about pre-poo, so stay tuned. Okay, so without wasting any more of your time, here is my aloe vera plant. I have been nurturing and caring for this plant for almost a year now, and it's actually growing very well. So I cut off up to 3 of the aloe vera, and I put a bowl of water aside so that I can use it to soak the aloe vera plant for like 30 minutes to an hour, so that it will remove all the germs, even though I've washed it thoroughly. So it's very important. So after washing it, we are going to proceed to cutting off the unwanted part, because what I actually need is the aloe vera juice. There are some people that actually blend the entire aloe vera plant, including the skin. Well, for me, I actually react to the skin of the aloe vera plant, so I won't advise someone that reacts to it to actually leave the skin. Please cut it off. There are so many ways you can make use of aloe vera. You can make use of it as a form of hair growth oil. You can make use of it as a form of pre-poo, as a form of moisturizer on your scalp, because it helps to also lift up dirt from the scalp and also product build up. Aloe vera have tons of benefits. It moisturizes your hair, it helps to promote hair growth, it helps to strengthen your hair. Aloe vera helps to balance the pH of your scalp. It also helps to condition your hair. Guys, if you haven't put aloe vera on your hair, I don't know what you're waiting for. Okay, especially as a pre-poo. Some of you don't pre-poo your hair. Pre-poo is a form of preparing your hair before washing it. You can also do hot oil treatment, but using aloe vera on your hair before washing it with shampoo is something that you must try, okay? Because the shampoo will strip off the natural oils that your scalp produces. Our scalp produces an oil called sebum, yeah. So by the time you apply aloe vera, which is very moisturizing and conditioning on your scalp and hair, and follow up with your shampoo, trust me, even when you rinse off that shampoo, your hair will still be moisturized. So I don't know why you haven't used aloe vera yet. So please use aloe vera on your scalp and hair before washing it. So as you can see, I'm done scraping out all the aloe vera juice, and I'm going to blend this bit by bit. Okay, you don't want to be blending it all the way, because we still want that chunky, juicy, slimy aloe vera consistency. We don't want it to flow like that of water. We still want that aloe vera juice, you know, that slimy aloe vera consistency to be on it. So you're only going to add a little water, like the way you saw in the video. Then you're going to strain out the aloe vera juice. If you use it like that without straining it, trust me, there are going to be chunks of aloe vera stuck on your hair. So I don't think you want that, because it's gonna be a little bit difficult removing that from your hair. And in order to make things easy, please go ahead to strain out the aloe vera juice with light clothes or a socks or a ribbon cap, anything you can use. Just make use of it so that the entire process will be very easy for you. By the way, have you subscribed? Guys? We're almost on 5,000 subscribers. I'm so grateful for you all. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, click the like button, and share this video. I'm very sure that so many people that want to see this video or haven't even known about this entire process, so please share this video. So as you can see, the aloe vera is still intact. You can see that it's still slimy, which is what I want, and that is the way it's supposed to be. Now I'm going to put it into an applicator bottle so that it will be much easier for me to apply it on my hair. And by the way, this video was inspired by Natural 85. Her videos are so educative. I got to watch a video of how she pre-pooed her hair with aloe vera, and and oil. She made two contents regarding this pre-poo treatment, and since then I have been doing it when I started my natural hair care. Guys, she's actually one of the people that I looked up to back then when I started my natural hair care. So if you have not started pre-pooing your hair with aloe vera, fresh aloe vera, please do. Okay, and if you don't have fresh aloe vera, you can get the store box aloe vera, although the results may not be the same, but aloe vera has something in it that really helps to moisturize and condition your hair. It also helps to balance the pH of your scalp. So please get you an aloe vera, be consistent. So as you can see, I'm already applying the aloe vera juice on my scalp and hair, making sure to moisturize it, to massage it in, then follow up with an hair growth oil. The video of how I made that hair growth oil will be linked in the description box. The link will be in the description box, and please go on and watch it over there. This is what the thumbnail looks like. So after applying the aloe vera and the oil on your scalp and hair and massaging it, you're going to twist your hair and move to the next section. By the way, if you're the type that don't need to work in section, please work in sections, because it actually helps to minimize hair breakage and also help you to be able to manage your hair properly, so that the entire hair will be saturated with aloe vera and it will do what it's supposed to do. So please work in sections, okay, especially for the sake of hair breakage. I know what I'm talking about. Our hair is very coily and it needs one to be patient and be able to manage it the proper way, so you don't rush the entire process. As for those that want to use this treatment on kids, yes, you can use this treatment on your child. It's absolutely safe. Kids from the age of 2 years, 3 years and above can use this treatment, okay? You don't have to wait till they're adults or teenagers. So as you can see, I'm done applying the aloe vera and oil on my scalp and hair. The next stage is to twist it everything together, okay, and cover my hair for an hour, okay, then wash it off when I have time, because at the moment I'm actually running errands, so I don't want to be bothered about this hair for now. In order for the aloe vera not to be dripping, I went on to tie my hair with a scarf so that I won't be so distracted. Okay, I hope this video really helped you. Please do not forget to subscribe, guys. We're almost on 5,000 subscribers. Welcome new people. If you're new here, welcome. We're all one family on this channel. Please leave your comment there and be respectful of your comments. Do well to share and like. Okay, thank you. I look like a typical African auntie or Nigerian auntie. Anyway, we have come to the end of today's video. I'm not going to wash off the aloe vera and oil till after an hour. I'm actually still staying at home. I want to run errands in my house, so when I'm done I'll proceed to washing my hair. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you all in my next upload. And of course, if you want to leave this overnight and wash your hair the next day, you can go ahead and do it. There's no problem. There's some people that literally use this as a moisturizer, okay? It's not just a pre-poo treatment. So I think that is it, guys. Bye, see you in my next upload. So guys, I ended up carrying the aloe vera juice overnight because the work I was doing was so hectic and I got tired. But that is by the way. I just want to show you all the outcome of using aloe vera and oil before shampooing your hair. I've actually shampooed my hair and this is how my hair is looking. The hair is so moisturized, so soft. You can see how it's bouncy. My hair is so healthy. So I don't know why you won't want to be using aloe vera on your hair. So please get you an aloe vera, and I haven't even used deep conditioner yet on my hair. So guys, you can see aloe vera is really good for your hair. I hope this video have convinced you enough to use aloe vera. Thank you so much. See you all later. Bye.